teach you how you can modify the volume of your cell phone if you had a foul in the case. What we are going to do is go to the settings on phone, and we can see that the sound and vibration parts appears. Simple as sound depending on your device, and we can see the options to lower or increase the volume here, vibrated on mute, and other qualities con sound vibration, ringtone, etc. If you have an or Xiaomi, you can touch and graduate it here, and it is quite a sample, and we can modify if you and will be all us to be able to have the letters of the volume case if by chance if you have to have an additional button on the screen of your cell phone. The advice you go to watch other technologies video on how to place the fluttering button on your cell phone. Thanks for watching this video.